In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text mask effect in Canva. We'll build that bold, see-through lettering where your photo shows inside the text, using Canva in the browser. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. Pick any size that fits your project: an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom canvas. The effect works the same on all sizes, so choose whatever you're designing for. Next, bring in the photo you want to reveal through the text. On the left side, open Uploads, click Upload Files, and select your image. Once it appears in your library, click it to drop it on the canvas. Drag the corners so the image fills the entire page edge to edge. A high-contrast, high-resolution image with interesting texture will make your final result pop. Now add your big headline. In the left sidebar, go to Text and choose Add a Heading. Type your word or short phrase. Something punchy like a brand name or a single keyword tends to read best. Change the font to a thick, bold style such as Anton, League Spartan, or Nor'Wester. The chunkier the letters, the more of your photo you'll see. Here's the browser-friendly way to create the mask. Select your text, click Effects at the top, and choose Splice. Set the thickness all the way up to 100 and the offset to 0 so the outline sits directly on the letters. Then, make the text fill transparent by dragging its transparency to 0. You should now have hollow outlined letters, and the image underneath will show through cleanly. This recreates the classic text mask look, even though the dedicated text mask group isn't available in the browser. Position and scale the hollow text so it sits where you want over the image. If the photo ever jumps in front, right-click the image and choose Send to Back to keep it behind the text. Centering the text and nudging letter spacing a touch wider can improve readability, especially on mobile. Before you download, zoom in to full size and make sure the outline looks solid and the letters are readable over the image. Short words usually work best. For longer phrases, scale up or tweak spacing until it feels balanced. When you're happy, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, choose Download, and pick your format. PNG is great for crisp edges, JPG keeps file sizes small, and MP4 works if you've added any animation. That's it. You've created a clean text mask effect entirely in Canva, ready to post or present.